Praise God. Today we'll have our first soap we'll be making. We'll be making pumpkin spice from shea butter. So let's get the shea butter. It's already cut, already melting, and ready for the herb. Praise God. Cut, melt, add your fragrance or your oils, and we'll be adding pumpkin spice today to our shea butter. Thank you for joining us for the live Sunday soap making. And we're just gonna eyeball a half a teaspoon. Ooh, the smell, pumpkin spice, smells nice. And we want it to stay white, and it's gonna be tinged with a little brown. We'll add a little more pumpkin. Praise God, happy October. Jesus is alive, keep praying. Remember our tip, spray with isopropyl alcohol, at least 90 proof, 90%. All right, and if you take a look, you can see the granules, a little bit on the side. Want to make sure it's mixed in real good, and then you'll see the particles of it once the soap has set for the unmolding. So we want to put this on a flat surface. Spray. It also helps the soap not to stick. Number one, going in. Looks like this is only going to be enough for two, and the other will be done with glycerin. And that's all we have, so that one won't be all the way out, but a little bit more at the back to give it the stem. There you go. And you want to spray, the smell is just out of this world. Continue to spray, the bubbles will disintegrate. Same for this one. Beautiful, beautiful. And so one of them I'll sprinkle with just a little pumpkin spice, and the other one I'll leave plain to make it more fragrant.
What time is it?
Praise God, praise God. We thank God for I Cherish Music providing the accompaniment today. We want to set this for 2 to 4 hours. This is our first soap making for today, and it's called Pumpkin Spice Shea Butter. So tomorrow I'd like you to join me back about 7 p.m. for the Monday Soap Reveal, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thank God for each and every one of you that are watching this live soap making. There are 5 steps, and this is it. Cut it up small. Steps. While you're listening, we'll go and prepare our receptacle for glycerin soap, which will be glycerin and cucumbers. That's our special for tonight. One of our signature lines, cucumber and glycerin soap. Praise God. We're going to move to the left just slightly because once the soap starts to set, I see a few more bubbles. There we go. It's already starting to set. I see one little hole. You can see it there, but unavoidable. Okay. Praise God. So our next step is to slide over to my left. And before we do, I want to show you the results. Steps to making the soap. Cut it up. All right. So I want to give you an example of what we did last week with the turmeric and also shea butter. The same molds. So it came out like this, but we chose shea butter with no coloring. This has only the coloring from the turmeric. So I thought that came out pretty good. You can use them as flats, or you can take the back and the front and put them together. Or you can take the solid and the solid and put them together. Well, I think I have the solid in a bag.